Okay, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! So I thought I would do a today, like I said, I'm gonna be going through my palettes and just re-upping on them, like trying to give you like 2 looks, 1 palette, or like re-reviewing, throwing the bag, something like that, just showing you that I am going through my whole collection. I am using up my products, or stuff like that, where so you don't have to go out here and just buy so many eyeshadow palettes, which I did. Also, don't ask me why I'm so bronzed. I look very bronzed and highlighted, but it's okay. So today, because I feel like green is getting really popular for whatever reason, I just feel like green is getting really popular, so I decided to brush this one back out, which is the Exotic Peacock by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. This was a recent release, at least this year it was released, and I have one video up here so far with it. I think I did a purple look with it or something. So this is it right here. Very beautiful, right? Very beautiful. And I just really want to do a greenish tone. I actually want to do a grungy green, but you'll see that later on because I am going to do it after this look. But I just really wanted to come and do a green look with this palette because I kind of wanted this in my spring monthly box, but I was like, I really wasn't feeling, colors at the moment. But now, guess what? My mind started to turn again. So I am liking more colorful looks. But I know I'm literally just going to take this off because I do want to run around today. Yeah, I do want to run around. I got food cooking right now, but I'm going to run around after we eat that. Just do something with my son. We already went to the park today, and we've just been hanging out, and it's like 5:30. And I did say I was going to dedicate at least 2 hours a day to this whole social media thing, so we'll see how I do that. So like I said, it's 5:46. We got this nice green, blue, and pink palette. If you want to see my review on this palette, go ahead and check out that other video. I don't know if I really did a review with it or just did a makeup look with it, but regardless of the fact, there is a video on this already, and this is it. I think I did a purple look with it, yeah. So this is it. This is it. I think I'm mostly going to be taking this color here called Provocative, and put that all over my lid. It's going to be a really simple look, like so simple, because of the fact, like I said, it's literally just going to go off. And I have here a nice green juice. Get it? It's spinach, apples, and pineapples. Because I'm a fat bitch. So yeah. Let's get into it. Right here, I'm going to put some P. Louise base on it. Or you could take, what's it called? Or you could take some concealer. This eyeshadow is very nice. It's not really picky like that. I'm just gonna take my finger and smudge it out. I noticed that when I take my finger with it, it dries a lot faster, and plus smooths it out a lot faster too. And I'm always in a rush, so I'm gonna do it like that. My whole life this week is gonna be simple. And a lot faster. So first, I think I'm gonna take this color here called Risque, which is right here, and basically it's gonna play as my transition color. Alright. So this color is like a olive green, but like a light olive green, if that makes any sense. So I'm literally just gonna try to put, I'm just gonna go in with this Morphe M503, which is kind of like a MAC 217. This is just a brush that does that, basically. Then I'm gonna go in with this color here called Discreet. Put it in my crease. And again, pat it into my crease. Okay, we gotta get y'all to focus on this side though. I really wish I could grunge it out, but I feel like this is gonna be more springish, if that makes any sense. Yeah. And just blend it, go in and really blend this out well. And literally I'm just going to be taking 3 colors because, like I said, it really doesn't take that much to even do colorful eye looks. Especially if you're just a simple person. Like, if you're a simple person, like, this will definitely go. And like with this, I'm also like rounding it out. So see how like at the ends, I'm just gonna round it out. Because according to my face shape. And then again with Risque, which is that light lime green, I'm just gonna take on the edges of this look and just blend it out so it doesn't look so harsh. So, well, I've been noticing too that since I've been starting with colors all over again, blue and yellow are like my faves so far. I just did like this wonderful blue look the other day, but I didn't get to finish it because I had company over. Also, I can say this too, I'm actually getting out of the house more. Haha, look at me. Even though I still just very much just want to be in the house, I am actually getting out a lot more. And I think it's because of the company that I keep. I actually want to see these people, so yeah, that's fun. And also it's been like very hot here in Virginia, so I feel bad now if I leave my son in the house. Like, damn, yo, there's a hole outside and we're just in the house. I mean, plus we have a, okay, so even if I do not want to go outside, I can always just open up my door and let him out, which sounds like a dog, but he loves it. He doesn't mind it, so that's how we do that. So next, I'm just going to cut my crease and be really quiet and really still. I'm just going to cut it with the P. Look my fucking out. I'm just going to cut it with the P. Louise base, and then I'm going to apply this shimmer right here called Provocative that I showed you earlier. And I'm probably going to throw in a liner. I just don't know yet. Okay, going back in with a streak, I'm just going to take it and try to fluff out this edge though. That's cute, right? Okay, so I don't really have a green for in the corner, so I'm just gonna take that thing and just put a liner up here, and I'm gonna throw some lashes, and I'm gonna do the other eye, and I will see y'all later when I'm ready to do the complete look. Bye. Alright, cool. So this is the finished look. I just threw on some lashes. I think they're drugstore lashes. They're out of my lash kit, which I totally need to update because there's barely anything in here. And they're all drugstore, they're all drugstore. But yeah, I totally need to update this and clean some of them. But anyway, you guys, this is it. This is with the Pinky Rose palette, and honestly, I can say I totally love this look. It's totally green. Look how fucking green this is. This is green and is best, and I love how the lime green came on top of this too. Look at my liner. Look at my fucking liner. My liner came out good. At first I was like, well, I ruined it by putting, I didn't put mascara on my lower lash line, but that's fine. At first I thought I ruined it by putting the under eye up here of the green, which all I did was take Risque and the dark green and just put it underneath my eyelid, I mean on my bottom lash line. But it came out good. It's cute. It's cute. And then on my lips is literally just a Buxom lip gloss, which is in the color Debbie. This is it, and I just lined it with a mauvey pink lip liner. Oh, this mauvey pink lip liner by Sephora called Nano? No, it's called Royal Rose. So literally that's what's on my lips today. And my highlight is Orpha Rodeo Drive, and mixed with my project pan of the Becca and Jaclyn Hill Christmas thing. So Prosecco Pop basically. And Rodeo Drive is what's on my cheeks if you like what I have. I'm also going to try to list what is actually on my face in the description bar. So yeah, if you like that, please let me know. But yeah, literally guys, that is it. That is all. If you like what you saw today, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you like also what this video was, please hit that thumbs up button and just come on and watch my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.